Hi, I'm J-Man, and this could be the best HD Cinewhoop 2.5 inch you can build right now. Let's find out why. Okay, so let me walk you through it. Actually, this started off as a different drone. You can check my other build video for this. It had a full air unit in, and now it's replaced by a Vista. And actually, a guy in the comments said, "Hey, I followed your build, really good. I put in a Vista and a naked GoPro, and it's the perfect cinema drone. Very small at this moment, very light." So I followed his comments. These were the logical next things to do, and here you have the result. Let's check it out. So it's still the Phantom, Gopro Phantom frame, which is really cheap, really super light as well. HGLRC prop guards, 2.5 inch props. These are AVAN, Emax AVAN props. As you can see, I still have the normal sized, so the full DJI camera inside, coupled to this Vista unit. I put a plug in the USB port just for water protection, as I always do, and plasti dipped the stack, which is a Gopro all-in-one board. Okay, you can see that to mount the antenna and the battery lead, I used what came along with this Phantom frame, the 3D printed mount, and then onto the naked GoPro. So as you can see, this is the Beta FPV naked GoPro case. So this has a Hero 7 black inside, and I already put the optional ND filter on. And you see that I have a specific way of mounting it, so I just took a piece of aluminum. Let me remove this for you. This is what holds the camera in, this elastic band. It's difficult to do with one hand, but okay, here we go. Let me remove this elastic band. There you go. Now I can just slide the GoPro out. This is just a piece of aluminum that I bent slightly in the angle that I wanted to have the GoPro mounted. Put a piece of double-sided tape on the frame, between the frame and the aluminum here, and put an extra tie wrap there. Yeah. Then all I have to do is slide this in like so. This aluminum has a cutout, as you can see here, which snatches this case right there. So when I pull with this elastic band from there to there, it actually pulls the case in this slot here. So, and that keeps it tight actually. So in a big crash, of course, this can still escape, but that's fine. I mean, I'd rather not crack it and break it. I'd rather go find it than have a cracked GoPro, especially since it's a bit flimsy, of course, in this naked version, right? Before I forget, the motors, they are still the Gopro 5000 kV 1204 motors. Let's find out what it weighs. Okay, 128 grams. With adding the battery that I usually use for this one, it's a Tattoo 650 4S battery. 208 grams. Now adding the naked GoPro on top of that, with the elastic band of course, makes for 236 gram weight all up, as you can fly, and this flies for about 5 minutes, maybe more. Guys, this wraps up the video of this amazing Cinewhoop here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you build yourself the same one here, then put something in the comments and let's brainstorm together how we can make this thing even better and keep on improving. And by the way, I put in the video description, there's a link to a video of a building that I did with this very Cinewhoop.